So this is the fifth question of TMUA 2023 exam paper 2. It says consider the two statements. R is K is an integer multiple of pi. Okay. So K is n pi, where n is an integer. N is an integer. Z represents integer here. S says integral 0 to k sine 2x dx is 0. Which of the following statements is true? R is necessary and sufficient. R is necessary but not sufficient. R is sufficient but not necessary. R is not necessary and not sufficient for S. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do is I will figure out the value here of this integral. This integral. Okay, so integral 0 to k sine 2x dx. Yes. So this is nothing but sine 2x integral is minus cos 2x divided by 2. This goes from 0 to k. So this will be minus cos 2k by 2 minus of minus cos 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is what? 0 only. So that is minus cos 0 upon 2. Okay. So cos 0 is what? 1. So this becomes minus 1. So minus of minus 1 minus this becomes minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 2. So let me write it as plus 1 by 2 minus cos 2k divided by 2, which is 1 minus cos 2k divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. So it is 2 sine square k divided by 2. 2 cancels out. We are left with sine square k. So this comes out to be sine square k. Okay. So the integral is sine square k. So now coming back here, what we have, this integral is 0. So sine square k is 0. Okay. Now if k is n pi, if sine square k is 0, k has, that means sine of k is 0. If sine of k is 0, that means k has to be of the form n pi. Okay, an integral multiple of pi. Only then sine k is 0. So statement R is both necessary as well as sufficient. Okay. So R is necessary and sufficient for S. That is the correct answer here. All right.